So what did you see?
Pues era como amarillito, como especie de gato y también pues, lo miraba como muy pequeño, a veces muy grande. Lo sentía en la parte de atrás de la coronilla y también sentía un dolor acá en el codo, en la pierna y el escalofrío también que me sentía en el momento.
And have you experienced visions like this before, or was this the first time?
No, es la primera vez que veo cosas así. Eh, no, pues le quiero agradecer porque pues, fue pues, un momento muy especial. Pude ver este pues, gato. También me sentí pues, más tranquilo en el momento.
Okay. All right. Está bien. All right. Gracias. It's really a very big experience, and I'm very happy that you came and that you had this experience because it's a big step in the spiritual path. Interact with such beings that are real. They're just a little bit outside of this dimension, but they're trying to get in touch with you. And this cat wanted your company and wanted to communicate with you. So somewhere in your life, maybe outside of this dimension or another life, this being has a relationship with you and it's trying to get in touch with you, and it took this opportunity to get your attention and communicate with you. For example, there is a planet called Lyra where there are beings, very intelligent beings that have the form of large cats.